This one scam could be destroying your commissions in the Amazon Influencer Program. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see if it's happening to you, how to shut it down, and how to reduce your chances of it ever happening again. So let's jump into it. What's up, everybody? For a while now, I've been talking to you about the Amazon Influencer Program, and here recently I noticed some problems with my commissions, and so I looked into it and I found out that there's some shady stuff going on, and so I want to show you how to watch out for it and then how to shut it down real quick. So it wasn't very hard at all to fix, but to give everybody just a clear understanding of what we're dealing with. The Amazon Influencer Program, you can do a lot of different things, but the major money making part of it, the easy part, is making videos for products, and then they go on the product pages. So we're going to look at this real fast so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to tell you what happened to me. So for demonstration purposes, I just picked microphone, and let's click on this microphone right here. So you're on the product page, and on mobile it's going to look a little bit different, but it's the same basic process. So you have your pictures over here of the product itself, and then at the bottom you have videos. Now mobile, the videos may be placed in the middle, whatever, but this video that's right here on the main page is the brand video. Okay, that's the video that the brand has made for that product. So when you click on it, first thing that's going to be playing is the brand's video. And you can see over here to the right, you have videos for this product. The first category is any videos that the brand has made for that product. I think they make up to like 5. And then below that is Amazon influencer videos, videos of this same product that the influencers have made. As you can see here, there's 5, and then down below is customer review videos. That's nothing, so don't worry about that at all. But right here, you have these different influencers have made these videos about this product that they've bought. And then if you watch any of these videos, these 5 right here, the last one that you watch, and then you make a purchase, that influencer gets the commission. So now we have a good foundation for you to understand exactly what I'm talking about when I go into this, what to watch out for. So companies will reach out to you wanting you to do videos for their products, and they'll send you free samples to do those videos. I personally rarely do them for free. I'd say, it's going to cost money for you to do so, unless it's a very expensive item that I really wanted anyways, and then I won't charge them. But another thing that they will ask for is for you to send them the video. Do not send them the video. I mean, you can if you want, but I'm going to explain why you should never. They're essentially asking, and sometimes they'll straight up ask this, for the rights to your video. So what that means is if you grant them the rights to your video, that's no longer yours, and they have the rights to that forever. They can change up your video, whatever, you're still in it, doesn't matter, and they can use that forever as a commercial for them for free. So if someone wants the rights to your video, myself and pretty much everybody else I've ever talked to, it's $500 or more to start with if you want the rights to my video. And a lot of times they will not do that. They're like, okay, we can, make our own commercial cheaper, whatever. That's fine. But do not just send them the video thinking that they're just, using it to review before you get to post it, whatever else. Like, don't. Because here's the problem. If you give them the rights to your video and they use it, and then you try to post your video to Amazon, it's not going to let you. Okay, you can't have the same video on there twice. So you're not going to get any commissions for it. So it was pointless. With all that being said, I had this company reach out to me. They wanted me to, review the product, whatever. They asked for the rights to the video. I said no. It'd be $500 or more. They said they didn't want to do that. I'm like, okay, whatever. And we move on. They agreed to still send me the video, pay me for it, whatever, just no rights to my video. And this can happen to you whether you're working with that brand or not. Okay. So I noticed on this particular product that I had not been getting any commissions whatsoever for it. It's possible to go months without getting commissions on a certain product. But usually within a couple months, you're at least going to see something sometimes, most of the time. But I wasn't. So I just wanted to check. So I went onto Amazon and I typed in that product, and I'll bring you back to my, demonstration page here to show you what was going on. But when I clicked on the product that I'd done a video for, right here in this brand video spot was my video. And it wasn't even my full video. They had changed it, but it was my video. even though I had very clearly told them, no, you don't get any rights to my video. And what they had done, and I'll see if I can pull up I didn't save their video before I got rid of it, but I think I have a screenshot where you can tell some of the changes they did. But essentially, my video was about a minute and a half, and they took the first half of it, so 40 something seconds of it, and then they tried to alter my voice, and it sounded like a robot talking, and then they put new titles and stuff that popped up in the video. So they tried to change it just enough to where Amazon wouldn't catch them taking my video. Like I said, this can happen to you on any video that you have, whether you've ever spoken with the brand or not. That has nothing to do with anything. They could have never asked you to begin with, and this could still happen to you. So essentially, this seller literally just took my video, didn't care that I said no, didn't care if we had ever spoken before at all. And they were just going to steal my video. So now that we discovered the problem, now I'm going to show you how to fix it. So once you can't do this on mobile, you need to go to a desktop, or in this case, I'm on my iPad and I'm on the the desktop version. So go to the video that was stolen, where it shows that you are essentially the brand's video here. And what you're going to do is when you bring your mouse over it, there's this button in the corner that says report. So you're going to click on that button and it's going to bring this up. And it says, if you find this content inappropriate and think it should be removed from Amazon, let us know by clicking the button below. You do not click report after that. You're going to click copyright infringement. And so you're essentially going to tell Amazon that they stole this video from you. Okay. And when you click on that, it's going to bring up this form for you to fill out. It's really short. And essentially it's just going to ask you to go back and copy the link from the stolen video and then send them a link to your video. Let me exit off this real quick. So here's the catch with that. You have to have already posted that video on Amazon to be able to prove that it's your video. That's why I'm saying don't send it to them in the first place. Because if they go on there and they post your video and you haven't posted, and then you go on there and try to say it's copyright, but you don't have your video on Amazon for them to even look at, they're going to shut it down. Like, they're not going to say that it's copyright because they have it up there and you don't. So you need to have your video posted, and then you go on there, you fill out your report, and within a couple days they should shut it down. It's going to ask you to provide details and stuff. So I was easily able to say, hey, this is my exact video that they took half of it out and changed my voice and all this stuff, and here is my video to prove it. And they really quickly shut it down. It was super easy. So now let's talk about why that's important and how to reduce your chances of this happening in the future. First off, you need to be checking your videos frequently. Obviously, it becomes a pain, especially as you get a lot of videos, to go back through and check. But you need to set a schedule for once a month or once every quarter or whatever to go look through your videos and make sure that a brand has not stolen your video. Because like I said, you're not going to be getting any commissions on it if they have. So make it a point to set aside some time to check that stuff. Another way that can help reduce your chances, and this is not going to eliminate the chance, is to add a watermark into your video. That's literally just a fancy term for, add your logo or your name or something that you lower the opacity on and put it, somewhere in the video, in the corner or whatever, to where you can see, that's your mark on the video. Like I said, that's not going to completely eliminate it because they can go in there and try to crop, that part out or whatever. Essentially, it's just like if someone's going to break into your house. If I have cameras, that doesn't guarantee me that nobody's going to break into my house, but it is going to lower the chances. Just like a watermark, it doesn't guarantee that they're not going to try to steal your video, but it's going to lower your chances of getting your video stolen. And also, it's going to be easier to help prove to Amazon that that's your video. This is just a quick little video to help you out because this happened to me the other day, and I'm fully transparent with everything on this channel to help y'all make more money. I don't know how many dollars in sales this cost me, but hopefully you'll be able to catch it, and hopefully it won't happen to you at all. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it helpful at all, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you're brand new to the Amazon Influencer Program, don't forget that I have a free beginner guide down in the description below to get you started. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time.